How to fix top code error in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your start menu and then search for command prompt. Run your command prompt as an administrator. Now, these are few commands that you will have to enter in order to solve the problem. First one is this. Simply type in this command and then hit enter. This will take some time, so I will just terminate this command in order to make the video slower for you. But in your case, wait for it to be completed. After the verification is complete, type this second command. This will also take some time. I will terminate this as well. Wait for the verification to be done. Now, lastly, after the verification is complete, simply enter this command and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.